Good morning, dear students. I welcome you for the third lesson of History, Class 5, Life on Earth. Okay, I welcome you for the learning. This lesson is quite interesting for you. You will be very happy to learn this lesson. Why? Because it deals with the life on the earth which was at the beginning. How the life started on the earth, how the planets were created, okay, then how, which animal was the first that was seen on the earth, and how man's life evolved, how animals come to existence. So this is a quite interesting lesson to learn. So let's begin. So first we'll discuss how was the earth formed. What? How was the earth and other planets were formed? Formed is they were created. How then earth and other planets were created. So about 100 billion years ago, about 100 billion years ago, the earth, sun and all the planets of the solar systems were nothing but a cloud of cold dust particles in the empty space. It means at the beginning, when the planets, when the sun and the earth, these were not created. They didn't have a proper shape. They don't have proper shape. They didn't have proper shape. And at the beginning, how they were looking? They were looking like a clouds. They were looking like the clouds of dust particles. There were different dust particles, some gases were there at the beginning. Means the earth and the planets which are looking now, they were totally different at the beginning. Then how they were looking? They were looking like a clouds. The clouds contain dust particle. There was a lot of dust. Then it has a different gases, the combination of gases. Then how they come to form this type of shapes, different shapes. As you know, the space, in space there is a gravity. And the planets and all celestial bodies means what? Which are found in the that we can say solar system in universe. They were moving. They were moving in the wheel. They were taking different, we can say swirling. They were moving. And as there was gravity, they started coming together. The dust particle, the gases, they started coming together and started creating the shapes. And slowly, it has not happened very suddenly. The planets were not created as we may think, but it took lot of time. It took lot of time to form that particular shapes. In between different asteroid fall on these, we can say celestial bodies, and because of this, some of the bodies were destroyed, and some could survive, and that are some of the planets. And in that there is one important, we can say celestial body, that is sun. Sun was formed, and the planets were formed. So gradually these particles were attracted towards each other and came together to form a huge spinning disk. So these were, and this is the beginning how the different planets and universe was looking. So these dust particles started coming together and they started creating different planets. Okay, so at the beginning the earth was different, the planets were so different. At the beginning there was only dust particles and there were different gases. And these dust particles and gases started coming together, and they created these planets. Okay, I hope you must have understood. So this was the cycle, we can say. These are the dust particles and gases. They started coming together. Again, these different shapes were created. Slowly, they were converted into this type of, we can say, universe. And afterwards, these planets were created. The solar system was created. So it has gone to different stages. It has gone through different stages. At the beginning, it was just gases. Then slowly it is converting and getting the shape that we have today. So in between, many of them were destroyed also. So what is the age of Earth? The Earth is 4.54 billion years old. So if you are asked what is the age of the Earth, the Earth age is 4.54 billion years old. It is quite, we can say, it is very old one. And you know, at the beginning, when the Earth was created, or the Sun was created, it was not as we are thinking, because at that time the temperature was very high. There were, we can say, some 1000 degrees Celsius was the temperature of the Earth. And that time, at the beginning of the Earth, there was no possibility of any life. It was not possible that there will be life on the Earth. You know that if the temperature crosses 100 degrees Celsius, what will happen? The water will start boiling. And you can imagine how much may be the temperature and how much it may be hot when the temperature was crossing 1000. It was crossing some 1000 degrees Celsius. So you cannot imagine the life at the beginning. And slowly the Earth started getting cool. It was becoming cool and cool and cool. But this has not happened suddenly. It took some lakh year, it took some crore year to Earth to get it cooled down. It get it cool. So it was becoming cool very slowly. And because of some combination of the gases, the clouds were created. What were created? The clouds were created. So for many years there was no water, there was no oxygen, there was no tree, there was no animal. And we cannot imagine also because it was very hot that time. Because of it took lot of years, and slowly the Earth was getting its temperature decrease, and slowly now the temperature is quite good for every life, so that we are able to survive on the Earth. So this was the next age of the Earth. Solar system came into existence before 4.6 billion years ago. This is about solar system. Solar system includes Sun, different planets, and Earth 4.5 billion years ago. So here 4.6 and here 4.5 billion years ago. So this is the difference. The universe 13.8 billion years ago. So this is what we. So first universe was created when there were no sun. There was no sun. There were no planets. At that time, the universe was created. Afterward, the solar system was created 4.6 billion years before, and Earth was created 4.5 billion years ago. So this was the we can say history of our universe. Then there are different planets which are found in the solar system. Here is the Sun. Then we have different planets which are given here. Like we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the different planets that are found in solar system. And among this, the Sun is very important. That's why it is called solar system. Okay, that we'll be discussing about it in coming videos about the solar system. And we have already learned in science what is solar system and the importance of different planets. So this was in the PPT. So I have one video for you. So that video will be interesting for you to watch. Though the voice is not clear, but you can watch it and try to understand. Okay. So here is that video. You try to understand it. Okay. There is no sound, but you have to just see how the Earths were and the planets were formed. Okay, at the beginning, it didn't have the shape that we have today, and they are moving in the universe. The celestial bodies these were found. At the beginning there was dots, you can see the dust particles are there. Dust particle started coming together. They are coming together. It is happening slowly. It was happening slowly. These are the dust particles that are coming together. Slowly, slowly they are getting the shapes. This is clouds and gases. The gases and clouds you can see. Then it is very hot at the time. You can see it is looking very hot. Cyclones of clouds, these are coming together, and now these are the different planets we can see, but they did have the particular shape. You can see their shape is not much good. It is not very round. You can see the shape. The shape is not very good one. Look at this. Now slowly, slowly it is getting the actual shape. This is happening very slowly, of course. Now it is getting the shapes that we can see here. The planets, like here you can see dust particles. It is very hot. You can see the lava. The asteroids are falling on Earth also. These are the particles, different particles, they are coming together. Okay, we'll skip more so that it will be easy. Yeah. So, Earth, different planets, Jupiter, satellites are there. Okay, so I hope you must have understood about the beginning of how the planets were created. So I am repeating that the planets were created, and the planets were created, and it were created before some billion years ago. At the beginning, it was in the form of dust particles, and part of it were in the form of gases, and slowly, slowly it converted into different shapes. So I hope this is enough for today's discussion. Coming videos will be discussing some part of the same lesson. Till the time, take care and keep learning. Thank you.